Hello, good morning, 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 grade 7. Aga na! Amo na akong sa DYBR. So, diriya sa Our Lady of Grace Academy, amo man na, good morning, grade 7. So, last time we talk about, we are done in discussing the four fundamental operation on integers, and now let us proceed with our new topic in mathematics, and that is uh, rational number. So ano bala ang rational number? Okay, so wala ko kabalo, wala man kamo kabalo, gani hibaluon naton yung dangaga kung ano ang rational number. Okay, so let me share to you my screen. So I am hoping nga nakapaligo na kamo, nga mahamot kamo dira sa inyo ginapungkuan. Okay? Kay si Sir nyo Raymart, hamot-hamot gid ya kay nakapaligo. Okay? So amo ina ang aton nga obrahon adlaw-adlaw bago kita magatubang sa aton laptop, sa aton cellphone, bago naton lantawon ang video ni Sir Raymart, dapat siguraduhon nga nakapaligo kita pariyo kay Sir para guwapo kag guwapa. Okay? So our topic is all about rational number. So rational number. Let me write that word. Rational number. Okay. When you say rational number, so ano sinibala ang iya nga definition? So rational number, ang muna definition niya is no is a number written in the form of A over B, where A and B are integers and B must not be equal to 0. So that is the definition of rational number. Ang rational number, kuno ina siya gali nga pwede mo siya masulat sa form nga A over B, so meaning fraction form A over B, where A and B are integers and B must not be equal to 0. So therefore, kung fraction siya, ang imo A pwede maging positive 1, negative 1, positive 2, negative 2, negative 5. So amo ina, pwede ina siya, as well as your B. But may kung makita nyo, may ari siya di ginhala your B, no? Ang restriction. Kumbaga amo gini dapat ang uh, aton nga tandaan. Your B here must not be equal to 0. Okay? Why? So meaning, kung may ara ka sang 2 over 0, okay, your A is 2 and your B is 0. So, nga man di siya pwede nga maging 0 ang imo denominator. Nga man. So, the reason nga hindi pwede maging 0 ang imo denominator, it is because, okay, it is because uh, it will make your rational number undefined. Amo na. So ga-undefined siya kung 0 ang imo nga denominator. Gani i-avoid ginaton nga mag-0 ang denominator kay naga-undefined siya. Okay? So ang rational number, by the way, in elementary, fraction lang ina siya. But in high school, since that we integrate negative numbers, so therefore, laino naton ang tawag siya, rational number na. Okay? So let us now, who can give me examples of rational number? Mga examples ng rational number. Ano ba ay ang mga examples ng rational number? Okay, examples of rational number. Ano ba yung mga examples ng rational number? The examples of rational number are, so let's say, let us put that in a circle, ang mga examples ng rational number. So let's say 1/2. Okay? Basta hindi lang 0 ang denominator. We have negative 3 and 4. So negative 3 is integer. 4, okay, is also an integer. So that is example of rational number. 2 over 3. Negative 1 over 4. Negative 6 over 7. How about negative, basta maging example, negative 2 over negative 3. So that is also correct. But kung may duwa ka negative, naga-positive ina sila. Okay, so we have 2 over 3. And then if you encounter 3 over negative 5, so hindi pwede nga dira mo ibutang ang negative. So 3 over negative 5, and as you could see, ang imo nga denominator dere negative ang i-assign, so hindi pwede. So dapat ibutang mo sa ibabaw ang negative order sa tunga-tunga. You can write that in this way. 3 over 5 dere ibutang ang negative. So meaning negative 3 over 5. So these are the example of rational number. Okay. Now, let us proceed to adding or operation on rational number. Okay? Or for fundamental operation on rational number. So when you say for fundamental operation, of course, we are adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So here, let us tackle now adding rational number. Okay, paano na siya mag-add sang rational numbers? Meaning, gaplas ka malang sang fraction, pero may mga negatives na nga included. So, for example, adding rational number, okay, let me remove that. Adding rational number with the same denominator. So, paano bala mag-add sang rational number with the same denominator? So, paano na? Okay. So, all you have to do here, no, is that is only adding fraction with the same denominator or gatawag naton nga similar fraction. So, by the way, ma-review anay kita, no? Kay para klaro sa inyo ang tanan. So, we have different types of rational number. So, types of rational number. So, your rational number could be number 1, it could be proper rational number. Kung sa elementary pa, proper fraction. We have improper rational number. And then last, we have number 3, the mixed rational number. Okay, or ang mixed number naton. Rational, no, I'm sorry, this is not correct. Rational, okay, rational number. So ano bala ini ginatawag nga proper rational number? So these are rational number or fraction man lang nga pareho are mas mataas ang ilang denominator sa ilang numerator. Okay? So mga example niya sina is this. Example niya is this. You have 1/2. So as you could see, manubo ang numerator, mataas ang denominator. So that is proper. You have 3 over 5. You have 4 over 10. So these are the examples of proper rational number or proper fraction in your elementary. Example naman sang imo improper fraction is 2 over 1. Mas mataas ang denominator sa numerator. You have a 10 over 7. And let's say 4 over 4 are example of rational na dapat mataas or equal ang numerator kag denominator. And here in mixed number, example is if you have 1 and 1 half, 1 and 1 third, and let's say negative 3 and 1 fourth. Kay pwede man ang negative, pwede tamang butang ang negative ni sila kay para sigurado gid nga rational number, hindi lang sang fraction lang gid. And then your rational number could be similar or dissimilar. Okay? So ang similar o and dissimilar rational number. Okay, so similar and dissimilar rational number. We're in here, we are comparing, gina-compare natin ang duwa ka rational number kung similar sila kag dissimilar. When we say similar, pag similar gani, similar rational number, so meaning ano siya? Same ang ilang same denominator. Okay? So the two numbers or the two rational number have same denominators. Okay? Pag ginala mo naman nga dissimilar rational number with different denominator. So ano siya? Different ang ilang different meaning lain-lain ang ila denominator, hindi pareho. Unlike denominator, amo na denominator. So mga example. So dire similar. So example sina is 1 half and 3 over 2. So same ang ila denominator, same denominator. Amo na nga similar sila, similar. So 1/3 and 3 over 3. So similar magyapon. Same denominator. We have 10 over 100 and 7 over and 7 over 100. So pareho ila denominator, ganyan tawag sa ila similar. Unlike kung hindi pareho ila denominator, we have this dissimilar. Okay? Dissimilar rational number. For example, 3 over 5 and 7 over 12. So as you could see, 5 and 12 hindi pareho sa denominator. So dissimilar ini sila. And for example, gina-compare ha ang duwa ka two or more fraction. 1 half and 6 over 10. So hindi pareho sa denominator. We have 3 over 7 and 2 over 8. So hindi pareho sa denominator gani dissimilar sila. And let us now go back in our task, that is adding rational number. So adding rational number. Adding rational number with the same denominator. So meaning similar sila. Kung the same ang ila denominator, kung same ang ilang denominator, meaning similar. Okay? Similar, rational. Okay? Rational number. Okay. So paano ina siya? Paano mag-add sang similar rational number? Muna pamangkot. So, paano bala ay ina? So, mangita kita diri sang open space or maybe we delete the canvas or clear the canvas. Sinsya na ikaw pinagpiyot si Ma'am Jessia sa ako, no? Nakaka-distract pa naman. Okay. Clear canvas. Advisor nyo gali si Ma'am Jessia, no? Okay, sa di ka pa yung muno nga eh. Okay, so adding similar rational number. Adding similar rational number. So, paano? Ayan na siya. Example. So, example is 1/3 plus 2/3. So, as you could see, the two fraction or the two rational number, hindi na tayo magtatawag nga fraction siya. Kay ano na sila? Kay rational number na. So, instead of using the term fraction, we use the term rational number. So, 1/3 plus 2/3, that is, copy the common denominator nga 3, and then 1 plus 2. So, 1 plus 2 equal to 3 over 3, and 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. And then, if you have negative 4 over 7 plus 3 over 7 is equal to blank. So as you could see, copy the common denominator ng 7. That is the rule. Okay? Ang rule, let me, karon i-discuss ko yung rule. Copy the common denominator ng 7 and then add. So negative 4 plus 3. Ano ganing answer kung gina-add mo ang di pareho ang sign? Ga-minus ka. So the answer is 4 minus 1 is 1. Copy 7. But sino mas mataas, si 3 or si 4? Si 4. Negative yung sign. So your answer is negative 1 over 7. So as you can see, our final answer is negative 1 over 7. May negative na kita i-integrate. So therefore, rational number na. Hindi na sang fraction. Pure fraction la. Or pure fraction na. Rational number na siya. And then another example is 8 over 10 plus negative 3 over 10. So copy the common denominator nga 10 and then 8 plus negative 3. Okay, 8 plus negative 3. So hindi pareho ila sign. So ano kita, 8 plus negative 3, that is minus ka 5. 8, si mas mataas si 8 or si 3? Si 8, ano yung sign? Positive. So positive 5 over 10. We can reduce this by dividing both the numerator by 5 and denominator by 5. Okay? So 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Our final answer is 1/2. Okay? So that is on how to add rational number. Another example. So ano ang rule? What is the rule here? Ano ang rule sini? Ano ang aton sundon? So the rule is, this is the rule. Let me read to you or write the rule. So the rule is in adding rational number, with the same denominators. Anong rule? Copy the common denominators and add the numerators. Okay, so amo na ang rule. Copy or add, in adding rational number with the same denominator, copy the common denominator and add the numerators. So amo na nga atong ginaobra diri. Ginakopya naton diri 1/3 plus 2/3, copy the common denominator nga 3, and then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 over 3 is equal to 1. Okay. Another example, how about if we have a mixed number and a fraction? So mixed number siya, abe. We have 1 and 2 over 3 plus 2/3 magyapon. Okay. So here, all you have to do is to change this into improper form. Paano ganyan mag-change sa improper form? So mag-change sa improper form is we multiply 3 times 1. Copy na ang denominator nga 3. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is, no. Again. Okay. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So amo nang equivalent niya sini, that is the improper form. of this and then copy the plus symbol and 2/3. So pareho na ila denominator. 3, copy the common 3 or common denominator nga 3 and then 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2. So we have 7 over 3 and then change this into what? I-change mo imo answer into mixed number or you can leave that as your answer. Amo na lang nanay. Okay? So that is on how to change. Okay? So itudloan ko man kamo diri kung paano mag-change kang iba na budlayan pa. Kung paano mag-change sang improper to mixed number. So proper form ay improper form, improper form, and then ang iya sinakabektaran is the mixed number. Mixed number form, none. So for example, you have 13 over 5, 6 over 6 over let's say 4, 10 over let's say 3. How are we going to change that into mixed number form? Okay, kaya pwede na siya ma-change. So in your elementary, it was discussed to you on how to do that. Okay? Kung paano mag-change sang improper fraction form into mixed number form. So all you have to do is to what? This is the steps. Okay? This is the steps. So we have 13 over 5. So pwede man nga imo lang i-mind. 13 divided by 5 is 2. Okay? 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So 13 minus 10 is 3. And then copy mo lang ang denominator nga 5. To check if your answer is correct, 5 times 2, 10. Times, plus 3, 13. So muna, copy lang ang denominator. Or maybe you can use long division. So ang 13 ang sasulod, ang 5 among sagwa. 13 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And then subtract 13 minus 10 or 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So ang 2 amo ni imo whole number. Amo na imo whole number. And then ang 3 amo na imo nga okay, ang 3 amo na imo numerator. And then ang 5 ini amo na imo nga denominator. Okay, so your answer is whole number 2, are 2. Your numerator is 3, are siya. Your denominator is 5. Okay, so amo na. And then, number 2, 6 over 4. So we're going to change that into improper form. So let me move this. Okay, so again, erase tanay na siya. And then delete. So 6, okay, 6 over 4. So, ang 6 sa sulod, ang 4 sa guwa. 6 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. And then subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. So your answer whole number is 1. And then your numerator is 2. And then your denominator is 4. Okay, balik-balik kayo lang ang video para magkabalo mo. Okay, so let us now proceed to another example. 10 over 10 over 3. Okay, 10 over 3. So, ang 10 amo ang sa sulod, ang 3 amo ang sagwa. So, pila ka 3 ang may ara sa 10? So, 3, 6, 9. So, tatlo. 3 times 3 is 9 and then minus you have 1. So, your answer is 3. Ang numerator mo is 1. So, ang flow na itong paamo niyo. Okay, 3 and 1 third. 3 and 1. Tapos, 3. Okay, so that is your final answer. Okay? So that is on how to change the mixed number or improper form to mixed number. And the question is, ay paano naman abi kung baliskad naman? Given naman ang mixed number, pakadto naman sa improper form. Paano naman ina? Okay, so let me clear the canvas. So from, let's say, changing mixed number to improper. Tandaan nyo, improper ha. So mixed number, let's say, mani mo mixed number, and then you have the improper form, and then the mixed number form, and then divide that by 2 or i-separate na sila. Okay, now, so let's say that you have 3. Number 1, you have 3 and 1/2. Number 2, you have 2 and 3/4. No. You have 3 and 3/4. And number 4 or number 3, you have 6 and 1/2. So how are you going to change that into improper form? Paano balayahan? So to change that into improper form, that is very easy. Simple lang na. Kay Ma'am Jessia, ganito lang na siya nagliga, dasig-dasig lang na. So all you have to do in number 1, since the given is only 3 and 1/2, I think. O 3 and 1/2. So all you have to do is to multiply and add. Okay, so paano mo umanswer sina? Copy first the denominator nga 2. And then 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So that is your final answer. 7. Okay. 7/2. In number 2, you have 2 and 3/4. So times and plus. Copy first the denominator nga 4. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So you have 11/4. In number 3, you have 6 and 1/2. So times and plus. Okay. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Copy ang denominator nga 2. So you have 13/, okay, undo. 13/2. So this is the improper form of this of this mixed numbers. So amo lang na. So very easy. Now, balik kita liwat dito sa addition of rational number. So adding rational number, let us have or add the following rational number. Okay. So number 1, we have 3/4 plus negative 6/4. Number 2, 2/7 plus negative 1/7. Number 3, 6/8 plus negative 2/8. Number 4, a negative 3/9 plus 7/9. And last, number 5, negative 6/10 plus negative 3/10. So how are you going to answer that? So simply lang, ano gani? Since that the fraction have the same denominator or the rational number have the same denominator, all you have to do is to copy the common denominator and then add the numerator. So, simple lang. 4 copy. Okay, so medyo i-zoom in tagamay. So, copy 4 and then you add 3 minus plus negative 6. So 3, you have 3 minus plus negative 6. So equal to blank. So 3 plus negative 6. So hindi pareho ang sign, gani ma-minus ka. 6 minus 3 is 3. Sino mas mataas? Si 3 or si 6? Si 6 negative yung sign, gani minus ka de. Negative ka da. Copy mo ang denominator nga 4 and that is your final answer. Number 2. Okay. So number 2, you have 2 over 7. 2 over 7 plus negative 1 half or 1 over 7. So since that the two rational number have the same denominator, all you have to do is to copy the common denominator nga 7 and then 2 plus negative negative 1. Okay, pareho yung sign? Hindi. So, hindi. Gani ma-minus ka. 2 plus, 2 minus 1 is 1. Sino mas mataas? Si 1 or si 2? Si 2. Ano yung sign? Positive. Gani, ang final answer mo di is positive. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. Ay, ando ta. Para manami ang pagbilog. Hindi good. Okay. So, next, number 3. Number 3, you have 6 over 8 plus negative 2 over 8. So, ano gani? All you have to do is to what? You have to copy the common denominator nga 8 and then 6 plus negative 2. 6 plus negative 2. Pareho ila sign? Hindi. Hindi. Saan pareho ila sign? Gani, ma-minus ka. 6 minus 2. 4. Sino mas mataas? Copy mo ang 8. Sino mas mataas, si 6 or si 2? Si 6, ano yung sign? Positive. So, your answer is positive 4 over 8. But you can still reduce 4 over 8 to the lowest term or lowest form. Paano mag-reduce? Kumbaga, ang butsilingon sang reduce, ginapanubo nimo. Okay, so you have 4 over 8. Okay? You have 4 over 8, gani, aton ina siya is i-reduce. Kwaon ta ang GCF sa 4 kag 8 or manumdum ka sa number nga pwede i-divide si 4 kag si 8 and that is 4. Okay? So 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So your final answer is 1 half. Na. So paano makuha sir ang 4 over 4? Sa malapos lang. 4 and 8. Gamit ka sa continuous division. So, anong pwede maka-divide sa ila? 4. Or let's say, ma-start kita pero may sa 2. Okay? Sa 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then, pwede pag ito pagamay. So, 2 again. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, 1 and 2 has no common factor. This is now the GCF. So, GCF is equal to 2 times 2. 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. That's the reason why we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4. So 4 over 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So that is your final answer. Okay, so let me erase this part. Let me erase that. Okay, erase ko na siya. So delete na. And then we have number 4. Number 4, we have negative 3 over 9 plus 7 over 9. So, copy the common denominator nga 9. Okay. Dako-dako ta ato mi aing. So, copy the common denominator nga 9. And then, negative 3. Negative 3 plus 7. So, pareho ila sign? Hindi. Copy denominator 9. Hindi pareho ila sign. So, minus ka 7 minus 3. That is equal to 4. Si mas mataas, si 7 or si 3? Si 7 gani, positive ang answer. That is the final answer. We cannot reduce that. Okay? Hindi ito na pwede ma-reduce. Kaya muna gid na saya. And then last, we have in number 5. we have, let me erase this. Okay, medyo i-down ta. Okay. We have negative 6 over 10 plus 3, no, plus 3 over 10. So, copy the common denominator nga 10. And then, negative 6 plus 3, hindi sampariho ang ilang sign. So, ma-minus kita. 6 minus 3. 3. Sino mas mataas? Si 6 or si 3? Si 6. So, 6 has the higher absolute value. So, we follow the sign of 6. So, muna nga negative diri ang answer. Okay, so we have negative 3 over 10 as our final answer. Okay, so amo lang na adding rational number with the same denominator. And next time, or in our next meeting, we're going to tackle how to add numbers or rational number with different, or how to add rational number or dissimilar rational number, or fraction with different denominator. Okay? So, amo naman natin task sa sunod. So, for your task today, all you have to do is to answer this. So, this is your task for this day. So, add. Okay, dako. Okay, so add, and reduce your answer in lowest term if necessary, if possible. Okay. So, i-add mo, and then you have to reduce your answer in lowest term if possible. Kung possible lang. But if you cannot reduce that, then amo na siyang final answer. So, number 1, we have uh, 3 over 7 plus negative 2 over 7. Number 2, 9 over 15 plus negative 6 over 15. Number 3, 8 over 10, negative 8 over 10 plus negative 6 over 10. Number 4, 8 over 20 negative plus 25 over 20. Okay. And the number 5, 6 over 21 plus negative 10 over 21. And last, number 6 is 7 over 35 plus negative 20 over 35. So as you can see, we have similar rational number here, meaning the denominator are the same. So mas malupos lang magkuha sinisang ilang sum. So this is your task, and please show the solution kung paano nakuha ang answer. Don't forget, note, show your solution in um, a clean bond paper, or paper lang. Okay, or in a clean paper. Pag gusto ka mo kung ano nga papel, basta malimpyo. Clean paper. And take a picture of it. Then send in my Messenger. Amo na. So that is your task. Show your solution in a clean paper and take a picture of it, then send in my messenger. So, good luck. Balik-balikan nyo lang ang process para magmayag pagid ka mo. Thank you for watching and see you again for our next video tutorial. So, I'm hoping nga may na-learn ka mo yun